Today we spend a lot of time in front of screens, be it a TV, computer, or cell phone, and it makes our eyes tired. Did you know that 50% of people between 18 and 34 years old spend 9 or more hours of their day in front of digital devices? If your sight seems a little tired these days, this video is for you. The area around the eyes needs a lot of care. Our eyelids are constantly moving, and it is not unusual that we catch ourselves rubbing our eyes. Did you know that we blink around 10,000 times a day? Are you enjoying this video? Then give it a thumbs up to help the channel. The skin around the eyes is thinner, more elastic, and flaccid than any other part of the body. That's why tired eyes may result in expression lines. Besides that, dark circles can also appear, and the result of all of that is dull skin. But now you will learn a natural treatment for your eyes. You will need 1/3 cucumber unpeeled, 1 tablespoon of rose water, 1 organic egg, 4 drops of lavender essential oil. Making it is very easy. Combine all the ingredients in a blender and mix until it reaches a puree consistency. And it is ready. Now apply this mixture on your closed eyes and let it rest for 15 minutes. Rinse with cold water and dry your skin. You can store the mixture in the fridge for up to 48 hours. As you can see, all you need is a little bit of care, and before you know it, your eyes will be shining again. Remember, regular physical activities are the best way of bringing shine to your skin, since exercising increases oxygenation and blood flow around the eyes and helps prevent dark circles. Besides that, make sure your diet is rich in essential fatty acids and drink lots of water. Now tell us, did you know this recipe? What do you do to keep your eyes well rested? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.